Okay, here we are getting Mud Dabber ready for the weekend. We've got our new shiny wheels, real spiffy, I think. We've got the new and improved smaller engine so it can be flown at small. We went from a 35 something that I thought was an FP, but I was told it wasn't, and they were right, down to, see if we, well, anyway, take my word for it on the underside. Let me try. It should say 25 under there somewhere. Just take my word for it. There's a 25. Makes it eligible to fly down at David's place this summer in S.M.A.L.L. We've also gone to, yes, I did it, a Spectrum radio. Oh, our battery's ready. Got a nice Spectrum receiver, Spectrum radio. We got a nickel metal hydride battery on board. Let me turn this off. Okay, we're charged and ready to rock. I think I'm going to go ahead and fly. It's a little windy, but me and Mud Dabber have been through a lot of breezes. We got his fairly newly recovered wing. Included on each tip is a GoPro. So we'll blend this, make us a nice flying day video. Maybe fly this coming weekend. Anyway, here we go. Okay, we've been four-wheeling Mud Dabber around the yard a little bit. Now we're going to try to fly and try to catch some of the action, maybe. It looks like you guys ought to see it from here. Here we go. Okay, not the shortest takeoff of Mud Dabber's career, but we got in the air. Little 25 actually is a little less powerful than the 35. Okay, get out of the sun here. Don't know how good this is going to come out, flying with one hand, videoing with the other, but I'm going to do a little break-in flight. And I do have the wingtip cameras running, so there will be more.